Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to make your Galaxy smartphone a separate drive in your Windows 10 PC. So when you're in Windows and you go to this PC, you'll see your C drive, but you'll also see your smartphone as a separate drive. Every time you plug it in with the USB cable, it will show up as a separate drive. I'll show you how to do that. So get the ball rolling here. Take your USB cable, plug it into your phone and your computer. When you're at this screen here, swipe down from the top. Select Android system, USB for file transfer, tap on that. USB for file transfer, tap on it again. Now I have mine set for transferring files. So I can transfer any file, audio, photos, video, anything. Any file on the phone, I can transfer it to my computer. If you just want to transfer images and photos, just select transferring images. But mine is set for transferring files. So now let's go to the PC, and I'll show you how to transfer files. Alright, now that your phone is set up, connect it with a USB cable to your computer. If it's password protected, log into your phone. Once you're logged in, go to File Explorer. Click on this PC. And now showing up on our devices and drives is your phone. Your C drive, D drive, and here's your phone showing up as another drive. Double click it. Double click on phone. Now your photos and videos are going to be in a DCIM folder. Double click that. Double click camera. And here's all your videos and photos. To copy these, highlight them, drag them to your desktop or into a folder, and you can organize them from there. But I have my phone set up that I can see all files. So I can get my voice recordings and any other file on the phone. That's the way I have mine set up. So that's all you have to do. Make your phone show up as a drive in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.